Teenagers, before you get married, you should know how to make chicken wings at home. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make easy, flavorful chicken wings at home. So follow me and let's get started. First thing we're gonna do is to start boiling our chicken. So I'm going to use sea salt. 1, 2, 3. So I'm just gonna boil this for 10 minutes. Let this rest for about 10 minutes. I'm going to add in some oil, 8 ml of oil, tomato paste, 2 spoons, 1, 2, 3 spoons, 1 spoon of salt, 2 spoons of yellow mustard with a little bit of soya sauce, of my garlic confit. If you don't have garlic confit, you can add fresh garlic. So also when you pre-boil your chicken, it doesn't take long in the grill and it makes your cooking process very fast. You see how the seasoning is holding into the chicken, and it's always good to add some oil for moisture for your chicken so that the seasoning can hold pretty well. It smells amazing. Add a little bit butter for my pan, just for my chicken not to stick. One cup of butter, 1 cup of hot sauce, and in the choice I'm using sriracha or chirasa. How do you pronounce it? Chirasa? Okay, I'll stick to hot sauce. Now we are making the wing sauce, and then I'm going to get 1 cup of ketchup, 1 spoon of brown sugar, and just a little bit of honey. I'm going to add in half lemon of lemon juice, or you can use white vinegar. With a pinch of salt based on your taste. One tablespoon of chili flakes. Make our wing sauce thick. I'm going to add in like a half spoon with a little bit of water. Mix this up of cornstarch. I'm gonna add this to our wing to make it thick. You can see the difference already. Our sauce is thick. Now this is our wing sauce. This is how you make a delicious buffalo wing sauce. In with our wing sauce. Top of our wings. Put in our sauce. Oh, look at this, guys. This looks so yummy. Oh. Yummy. Now you can do the wings. This looks so yummy. So it's time to dig in and let's taste this chicken wings. I'm not gonna say much, guys. Oh. This tastes so delicious. Yummy, guys.